said this last Thursday.
You did? Didn't you say it on Friday?
Yeah.
Oh, it's coming in this side. Tough. Everyone gets a chance. I'll be cross off you, of course. Don't know. What's he got on the back? Can't tell yet. Is it a swallow or is it a normal? Is it? I can't see it. Oh, I can. Yes, I can. Yep. Alright. Do you want to go and have a get in there? And I'll take a picture of it on the video. Yeah? Not stopped yet. Ready? Oh really? Did you? I don't know that they're both going to go at the same time. That one's gone green, it's going to go. So many people taking pictures because they know they're going to go offline. Yep. Not many more weeks to go now. Well, just under 3 weeks, I suppose. Just under 3 weeks. Is he going? Yep. No? I thought he was going to go. It's weird how they're going to take such an iconic train off the rails.